I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a unique opportunity that I have to be the new ambassador for Dappen Diamond. And here I'm showing you on the website, you get to choose the holder style, the color of the lid, as well as the color of the box that it comes in case you're giving it as a gift. And here we go. So as you see, I was sent 3 different Dappen dishes. And now I'm going to open them with you guys. So the first one came in a black box. And I'm trying not to destroy this so that I can put them all back together. So I took it out of the box and everything is put together for you. I've been told that everything is handmade and made to order. So we have the gift box that it comes with, and the presentation is absolutely beautiful. So as you see here, everything is very carefully wrapped. And then we have the silk lining. And once you see it, you can tell that it is absolutely handmade. So I appreciate the effort that goes into the making of these items. So first we have the dish, and this one here is a triangle. And the light reflection on it is absolutely beautiful. These are all glass, it's not acrylic, and they're not cheap at all. And then we have the cover, or the lid, to it. And this one here I chose ruby. And as you see, it does reflect the light. Very pretty. Look at it.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So now for comparison, I'm showing you the size of the inside. That was a 5-gram glitter container, and this is a 20-gram acrylic container. And as you see, it does fill that up. So it is approximately 20 grams of liquid that it does hold, or 20 milliliters. We put that off to the side, and we're going to open up the second one. And as you see, this one came in the gray box. It does have a shiny sheen to it, and now we're going to open it up.
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
And as you see, the same quality of silk liner in there. This one here is the Hexagon Diamond Dappen dish, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. And this lid or stopper is the sapphire color, and it is such a deep blue. It's so beautiful. And I'm just spinning it and turning it around so that you can see how the light reflects on it. And then going to move it to the side so that we can open package number 3. If you've made it to this random place in my video, I'd like to let you know that I will be giving away one of these Dappen dishes. All you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram page below. And share, and I'll be picking a winner soon. And the third one came in the purple box. And this one here has a rose pattern on it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just moving them out of the way. I'd hate to knock one over. So again, we open it up and the same quality silk liner is within. And as you see here, like, you can really tell that these are handmade and put together. It's a great quality, but you can definitely tell that time and effort went into it. And I do want to mention as well that it did take about a week for the order to process and for it to ship out. And I was advised that because this is a brand new company and logistical reasons and everything is handmade, it can take a little bit of time to process right now, but they are trying to speed up the process. And this here is the pink diamond. Look how reflective it is. It is so absolutely gorgeous. It's my favorite, actually. And this is the heart Dappen dish. I did have the experience of ordering this just as if I was a customer so that I can see how the process works. And it was so easy, but super fun being able to match up and select my own colors. And this would make an absolutely perfect gift for the nail artist in your life. But as you see, they are also interchangeable. You can buy several and change the lid based on your mood. That would actually be a great idea. I wonder if in the future they plan on just selling the stoppers so that you can have multiple colors and change them up. That would be a great idea, right? Anyways, you can go to www.dappendiamond.com if you'd like to order one. I'll have the link down in the description box. And as soon as I get a discount code for you guys, I'll make sure to link that down in the description box as well, because I will be using these in all of my videos going forward. And now we have it, a close-up macro shot of how beautifully stunning this pink diamond heart Dappen dish is. I look forward to being able to use these dishes in all of my videos going forward. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks again for watching. See y'all later.
Baby, how you feeling?